Where to find the best sites. Dogs and puppies. Hello. The best internet resources about how to get your dog into commercials. These are the best resources we could find on the web. Our top-ranked site to learn about how to get your dog into commercials is coconutgirlwireless.wordpress.com. See the page titled How to Get Surfer Girl Hair Coconut Girl Wireless. Here's the link. Try also our second-ranked site www.hsbh.harvard.edu, especially the page How to Get to Your Healthy Weight, the nutrition source. Here's the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site ottawavalleydoghwhisperer.blogspot.com. The web page Ottawa Valley Dog Whisperer, how to choose a good quality. Here's the link.